morning, boys and girls. Are you ready for another week to learn some new things? Well, this week, we're going to learn about frogs. Here's my friend. Ready? So, we have a lot to learn and a lot of fun to be had. But before we do, we're going to get started with this so I don't forget. Everybody sit up straight and tall. Show me that you're ready. And I can't wait to hear you putting words together, taking them apart, listening for sounds. Here we go. We're going to start with, which word rhymes with wish? Dish, fly. That's right. Wish, dish. Good job. Which word rhymes with mouth? South, white. Mouth, south. Which word rhymes with such? Much, sun. Which word rhymes with math? Man, bath. Which word rhymes with tooth? Booth, two. And which word rhymes with beach? Peach, ball. Beach, peach. Good job. All right, ready? Tell me the beginning sound in cheese. Ch. Good job. The beginning sound in think. The beginning sound in shape. The beginning sound in this. The beginning sound in child. And the beginning sound in third. Great. All right, ready? If I say ch, it, k, chick. These, these. Sh, t. Sh, a, k. Ch, it, p. Ch, I'm a. Very good. We're going to listen for the last sound. Fish. Remember? F, I, sh. This side. Right, the last sound in fish is sh. What's the last sound in with? What's the last sound in gush? What's the last sound in inch? Good. What's the last sound in cloth? We're doing some blends. CH, TH, and SH. We'll talk more. Ready? Okay, if I say chill, you say chill. Ch-ill. Chill. Van. Chase. Shut. The last one, thick. Thick. Very good. All right, ready? Say ed, add sh. Shed. Say est, add ch. Chest. Say at, add th. Say in, add ch. Chin. Say ick, add th. Very good. Say this without th. Is. Good. Say shove without sh. Say chill without ch. Say think without th. Say chant without ch. Very good. All right. Say ship, add ch. Ship becomes chip. Say thin, add sh. Shin. Say chum, add th. Say hop, add sh. Shop. Very good. Do you know this one? Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Very nice. Well, boys and girls, let's look at our chart for this morning. Okay, so what I want you to do is look for words that you already know, or look for the chunks. Here we go. Ready? Which words do we already know? Do you see a sight word? Ooh, how about this one? I-S. That's right. Is. Very good. Here's another sight word. Can you read it? We. We. Beautiful. Here's another sight word. Ill. Will. Beautiful job. I'm looking for chunks too. Like, look at this. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Do you remember those chunks? That says day. Both of them. Part of that word is day. These two words I write almost every day. Oh, and you're already seeing ing. I could hear somebody saying it. Don't forget ing. Good morning. B. Sometimes you have to stop and think. Good morning, boys. Oh, there's a sight word. And girls. Well, today, boys and girls, before we move on, I want to show you a new friend who's going to help us do some reading. This is Leapfrog. Leapfrog is not only going to tell us about everything there is to do with frogs, it's going to help us in our reading. Remember how Chunky Monkey helped us look for chunks of words? Well, Leapfrog tells us that sometimes it's okay to leap over a word and skip it and use the other words as clues and then come back. Now, Leapfrog right now notices a very big word in this last sentence. Right here, a word that he does not know. And this is another one he does not know. They're hard words. So Leapfrog's going to show us in a minute how to leap over. So ready? Let's read our first sentence again. Good morning, boys and girls. We know this one. There's day. Today is right, Monday. There's the month. It starts with A. April 6th, 2020. Now remember, we've got a word here we do not know. We don't know the word, but we do know that first sound is L. What sound does L make? We will learn. Hey, did you put those sounds together? Right, learn. Now this is the word that Leapfrog wants to jump right over. Wants to skip it because you can't sound that one out. It might be one that we can use the other words to figure out what makes sense. So ready? When we get to this word, we're just going to go, we're going to be quiet, and we're going to think about what it could be. Ready? We will learn, and here's a word we can sound out. Frogs. So let's say it and skip this word. We will learn frogs. We will learn, we know the A sound. We will learn frogs. We will learn are you catching it? We will learn about frogs. That's right. It's okay to skip right over a word, to leap right over it, as long as you come back to it. Read the words around it that you know, and then go back and see if you can figure it out. That's a reading trick for today. So our little friend here, Leapfrog, is going to be around to help us with that. Very, very good. Okay, so listen, what we're going to do today, we're getting close on time. So I'm going to skip right to our math activity, and then we'll do a song or two in the next half of our video. Today we're going to play Leapfrog with numbers. You're going to need a little bit of help from a parent. What I want you to do is get your paper out and have mom or dad or an adult in the room help you to draw a nice big number line. Now, the easiest way to number this might be to put the middle number in first, like to put the 5 in and then get it all lined up like this. Then I went and I thought, what am I going to do? I need a little frog. We just don't have one. So I cut, a circle out of a piece of my green scrap paper from my parrot, and I drew a little frog face on it. Then I went to my refrigerator and I found a magnet. Now you won't need a magnet because your paper is just going to be on your table. So if you just make a little frog anything you want. It can even, doesn't even have to be a frog. You can go get a toy or a dice to mark it. Okay? And I'm going to put my frog right here on the 0. Okay? So, the job here today is going to be that we are going to leapfrog and we're going to make a list. I want you to have a list of odd numbers, so I'm writing the word odd, and a list of even numbers. And we're going to do it one jump at a time. Okay? So if you're on 0, you're going to leap over that 1 and leap right over to the number 2. Now, is 2 odd or even? It is even. So I'm going to write the number 2 here. Then I'm going to leap right over the 3 to the 4. Is 4 odd or even? Wow, 4 is also even. Remember to leave space. Then I leap over the 5. Oh, and I'm on 6. Is 6 odd or even? 6 is even too. That's amazing. And if I leap over 7, I will be on 8. 8 is even. And then leap over the 9 right to the 10. Is 10 odd or even? 10 is going to be even as well. Oh boy, now we got to go back because we're going to start 0. I'm going to put 0 here. 0 is not odd and it is not even. So it doesn't really count. But we're going to start this time on the 1. Is 1 odd or even? 1 is odd. We're going to leap over the 1, over the 2, right to the 3. Is that odd or even? It's even. It's odd. Remember to leave your spaces. And you're going to go all the way up and write all of the odd numbers. Look at that. 2, 4, oops, let's try again. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even numbers, all of them. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers are just fine. Do a little poem. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even numbers, all of them. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers are just fine. Give it a shot. Make a number line. Skip over every one. Find the odds and the evens. See you in a few minutes.